Hi, this is Manohar from third year mechanical. As you have seen, this is my lab named as TRISUL. Here we are working on the tribological behavior of the machines, lubrications, oils and the machinery. We have the wonderful opportunities nowadays, and the industrial also needs the type of the bearing it needs in a few years. And the main thing is how the lubrication can be formed and what are the accessory needs and what are the type of biogradical needs we need in this life. My professor Suprajit Bhaumik giving us a wonderful opportunity to work at here in a TRISUL Lab. And the campus, it is a wonderful for the mechanical engineers and the rest of the branches, like you will be having a lot of things to learn in the future life, like handling the machineries, doing the codings. It will be a wonderful thing, and meeting the new people here like international students and the local boys, which is a great opportunity to be in Amrita. Thank you.